Common English phrases used in a shopping mall. Excuse me, where is the entrance? Is there a map of the mall? Where can I find the stationery? Which floor is the clothing section on? Can you recommend a good electronics store? Do you have any discounts today? Where is the nearest restroom? Can I try this on? Where are the fitting rooms? Do you have this in a different size/color? How much does this cost? Is this on sale? Do you accept credit/debit cards? Can I pay with cash? Can I get a receipt, please? I'm looking for a formal dress. Can you help me find a gift? I'd like to buy this. Can I return this if it doesn't fit? Do you have a gift wrapping service? Can I exchange this for a different size? Do you have any new arrivals? Do you offer home delivery? Is there a parking area nearby? Where can I catch a bus/taxi?